Welcome to our tutorial series. In this video, we will be going through exactly what type of content you are able to add onto your aNewSpring learning journeys. Most courses on aNewSpring consist of multiple content parts. There are two ways to create and add content to these content parts. This can be done through the template or via the content library. If you have both the author and designer roles, you can add content parts via the template. Just head over to the Templates tab, select the template you're working on, click Edit, and then click on Plus Activity to add a new content part. This pop-up will appear. Here you will give your activity a name. And there are many features to choose from to create the structure of your template. This includes e-learning and references such as lessons, documents, and SCORM files. The Test and Assess allows you to develop assessments, hand-in assignments, or video hand-in assignments. Then there is a Reflect and Evaluate feature, which will enable you to create 360-degree feedback, forms, and reflections. And not forgetting the events and webinars, which can also be linked to your courses. For more information on each feature, hover over the icons or click on the block, and a short description will appear at the bottom of the screen. Alternatively, if you're an author, you can add content parts only via the content library. Click on the Content tab, select Manage next to the content library you're working with, and click Plus Content Part to add a new one. Now, on to adding content to a content part. Give your content part a name and click on Add and Edit. You will be direct to the content part homepage. Click on the plus to start editing and choose the type of content you want to add. In aNewSpring, you can add various types of content to create engaging learning experiences. Let's go through them. First up, we have text. With the text editor, you've got a range of options at your fingertips. You can include downloadable documents, incorporate formulas, and even create tables. Next, let's talk about images. You can easily spruce up your content parts by adding images in separate blocks. Plus, you can take it a step further by adding hotspots to your images, allowing learners to access additional information. Now, on to audio. You can enhance your learning materials by including audio files in an MP3 format. Video content is also a breeze to incorporate. Whether you're uploading videos directly to aNewSpring or utilizing platforms like Vimeo, YouTube, Synthesia, or Hihaho, you have options. If you're looking to include documents and presentations, you're covered there too. Utilize tools like Google Docs Viewer, MS Office Viewer, PDF Viewer, ISUU, SlideShare, or Prezi to seamlessly integrate documents and presentations into your content. For those who like to get technical, HTML code is also fair game. Feel free to embed code as needed. Need to link out to a specific website? No problem. Use the web feature to add a website to your content part via iframe. And last but not least, we have lists. From checklists to task lists, lists are great for performance support. Learners can mark off tasks, and their progress is tracked seamlessly. So, whether you're jazzing up your content with visuals, audio, or interactive elements, aNewSpring offers a plethora of options to create dynamic learning experiences. And remember, if you need a hand with any of these features, our training improvement engineers are here to help. Just head to our website to learn more about their services and get in touch. Thank you so much for watching. There are more tutorial videos available to you on our channel. If you would like to know more about something specific or have recommendations of a tutorial you would like to see, feel free to comment down below. Like and subscribe for more.